After the hands-on look of S25 Ultra, now the S25 Ultra appeared online again and even the color options are confirmed. There are two new updates. S25 Ultra and siblings appeared online in FCC certification, but this time for European regions, and there's one thing: US version of S25 was missing, but European version has it. Yes, the ultra wideband support for the base model S25. In US FCC certification, there was no support, but keep in mind S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will support it. There's another information where all three models were tested with the 25-watt fast chargers. Although S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will gonna support 45-watt fast chargers, and S25 base model will support 25-watt. There's no such info on the battery life, but I'll share my insights later. And if you don't like the rounded design of S25 Ultra, Samsung is offering big deals on S24 Ultra as low as $999, which you can avail from prior listed in this video. Now remember I said in the start, there are two new updates. Second update is the SIM trays of S25 Ultra. First it was S25, but now S25 Ultra SIM trays are out, confirming the color options: titanium black, titanium silver, titanium blue, and titanium gold, or I would say yellow. And there are some exclusive color options online which you can get from Samsung's official website, and one of the color is already confirmed. Yes, from the hands-on video. Now this hands-on video didn't confirm the bottom of the S25 Ultra, but now this is the bottom look of S25 Ultra. The S Pen slot is on the left side just like the S24 Ultra, along with speakers and SIM card slot. This also confirms the rounded design of S25 Ultra, but it's not as rounded as base model S25 or S25 Plus. Apart from this, if we take a look at the front, we can see the new charging animations on screen, which is obviously in the One UI 7. Also, we got a closer look at the bezel size of S25 Ultra. Yes, these are small and symmetrical, means all four sides will have the same width. From the back, S25 Ultra looks exactly like the Z Fold 6, just with an additional sensor. The camera rings are exactly same on the S25 Ultra. From the right side, we can see a volume rocker and power button, and these sides are flat compared to the rounded sides on the S24 Ultra. The front of S25 is flat just like the S24 Ultra. Also, looking at the front of the phone, it gets little to no reflection, which means GG armor with anti-reflective coating is also coming on S25 Ultra. The biggest change is the rounded corners on S25 Ultra compared to the sharp corners. Remember I said in the start I was gonna share the battery numbers, and by the way, these numbers are exclusive. Recently, S25 Ultra and entire generation appeared on FCC certification, clearing the battery size and charging speed of S25 Ultra, where Samsung this time going with the same 5000 mAh battery and same charging speed, 45-watt for S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, and 25-watt fast charging for the S25 base model. Despite other companies are going for massive upgrades, like OnePlus 13 has a 6000 mAh battery, but according to internal source, initially the battery was not that good on S25 Ultra, but now the battery life with the current software build matches the battery life of S24 Ultra. This means if Samsung optimizes it more, we can see a better battery life out of the S25 Ultra, which is surprising. Although Snapdragon 8 Elite is more efficient, it's more powerful, which obviously needs more battery for a longer session. But even with other phones that are launched with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, like OnePlus 13 and Asus ROG, they performed exceptionally well in the battery life, but both phones came with the bigger batteries. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a prior listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.